salad today, and I learned recently how to get the, you know how when you get a salad from those fast food places, they have the pulp of the orange or the mandarin in the salad with no seeds or whatnot. So I learned that technique. It's called supreming an orange. So I'm just going to show you how to get that done at home. So basically you cut off one or both ends of the orange so you have a nice base for it to sit on, a nice bump. And then you just go from top to bottom and slice off the skin. Don't be scared if you take too much off, because the objective is to get all that white pit and of course the skin off. You don't want to waste too much pulp, but there's gonna be a little bit. You could use that later. You could put it in, assuming you washed your orange. I wash all my fruits before I do anything with them, even if I'm gonna remove the skin, because these fruits are grown with a lot of pesticides and God knows what else. So you can put that like in water and have a orange flavored water, or you can use it to make orange syrup to flavor some bake. So you just continue to get off the pit as much as you can. Here I had some pieces that were, and you want to try and still maintain the shape of the orange as you remove the pit. So here I had to go around again on this bottom part here. So you don't want to slice straight down, because you don't want to end up with a square orange, because the Lord knows there's a lot going on in the world today, but I don't know, a square orange might be a little bit much for me to process right now. So I think I've got it, most of it pretty much. So I gotta take off this piece up here as well. So now we have an orange with all the pit removed. So what you're gonna do is, you know, you have the membrane in between each slice. So you're gonna slice as close as possible to the membrane, inside the membrane, to get out the pulp. So basically you slice like so, down to the middle on the other side. Make sure it's free, and then you get something looking like this. And of course I have some extra membrane on the inside, which I just slice off. So that's it, voila. Put one on my plate. So I just continue around the perimeter of the orange, continuing to slice inside the membrane and get out that nice juicy pulp. So let me slice out that excess. I'll use a bigger knife, slice off the excess. Okay, so it looks something like this. See there, oops, no membrane. My nerves are bad. So there's a piece on the bottom here, which is weird. There you go, another piece. Keep going. I use a paring knife at this point because I feel like the other knife is too big and I'm too clumsy. I don't want to end up fingerless in the process. It's a time-consuming process, but if you give this to your kids, trust me, you'll become experts, because they'll never want oranges another way again afterwards. When you get to half, this one is really tiny, but it's still good. Just put it face down, because you don't want to cut yourself either. So you want to cut away from your fingers if you can. There you go. It's another nice big juicy piece. I can't wait to eat this salad. I would love to see pictures once you do yours to see how they came out. And my last piece. So my last piece. So I'm just gonna arrange them on the plate here, even though they're about to be consumed by me. So here we go. Voila.